Hi Tribe, my name is Kelly and I'm an Inspirationist. Now that's probably a funny made up word, but let's break it down. Inspiration, I believe, means to be in spirit. Spirit is that voice inside of me that is calling me to my greatest purpose in life. It's time for me to listen to that voice. And by listening to this voice, I hope that I can inspire you to listen to that voice too. You see, I spent 20 years in education trying to help people come forward with their purpose. Now, I learned an important lesson from Joseph Campbell, who said the role of education is to provide inspiration for aspiration. That's my goal in creating this channel. I hope that I can inspire you to aspire to the greatness that is within you, because the world needs you. The world needs me. The world needs all of us acting from our highest principle and not from the lowest principles that divide us all. I'm Kelly, and I'm an Inspirationist. And if you're an Inspirationist, let me know what you're doing down below. Click to subscribe, be a part of the tribe, and let's keep this movement going because the world needs us more now than ever. I love you, and I'll see you on the other side. Peace!